apples in the trees.
I see lots of them.
This
This is Grandma.
That's Grandma.
And Grandpa.
And Grandpa.
This Sylvie right there.
That is Sophie, and who's that? That's little Savannah.
That's little Savannah.
And who's that? Uh-huh.
That's Molly.
Uh-huh. And do you know who that is?
Emmy.
Emmy. And do you know who that is?
Uncle Ryan.
Yeah, and who's that?
And Kristen.
Aunt Kristen. And do you know who that is?
Annie.
That's Nanny. You're right.
Annie.
You're right.
And that's Mama.
That is Mama. Look, what's that?
A quick.
Yeah, this is Colin's old room.
He's not in it.
No, that's at the old house. That's at your old house. Look, we'll check it out. Who's that? Look. That's baby Colin. That's little baby Colin when you were baptized